Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. We are going to bake melt and mouth butter cookies today. We will make four kind of cookies with one cookie dough, pinwheel, jam, cardamom, and marble cookies. We will use cake flour to make these cookies. To make dough, we need 250 ml unbleached cake flour, icing sugar 70 ml, unsalted soft butter 165 grams, cardamom powder 1 teaspoon, chocolate powder 1 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon icing sugar to add in chocolate dough, 2 tablespoons of strawberry jam to make jam cookies. So let's start making dough, inshallah. Use whisk attachment in stand mixture, then add butter and icing sugar in mixing bowl. Mix them on high speed for 30 seconds. Also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix them again for 5 seconds, then keep the speed slow and add cake flour gradually in it. Dough will be ready in 2 minutes. Also bind dough with your hands for 10 seconds. Now we will divide our dough in 4 portions. This is 89 grams of dough to make cardamom cookies. We will add cardamom powder in dough and mix them, then wrap in plastic wrap. Keep it on a plate. Use another glove to mix chocolate dough. This is 135 grams of dough. We will mix 1 tablespoon of chocolate powder and 1 tablespoon of icing sugar in it to make chocolate dough. Mix them together and wrap it also in plastic wrap. Keep it also on plate. This is 235 grams of plain dough. We will keep 3/4 of dough to make jam cookies and 1/4 part of dough will be used to make pinwheel cookies. Wrap both of them and keep all 4 portions of dough in fridge for 10 minutes to make them firm. After 10 minutes, preheat oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes and start making cookies. First, we will make a log to make pinwheel cookies. Place a piece of plastic wrap on board, then place plain dough and then plastic wrap again on the dough. Roll them with rolling pin to make a round shape of 7 inches with 2 centimeters of thickness. Keep this on a plate. Then roll chocolate dough with the same method. Remove upper part of plastic wrap from chocolate dough. Then also remove one side plastic wrap from plain dough. Place it on rolled chocolate dough. The chocolate dough should be on upper side. Now roll them gently. Now remove the upper plastic wrap and start rolling both dough together with the help of lower plastic wrap. Roll it a little bit tight to make a firm log. When it is ready, keep it in fridge for 5 minutes to make it more firm. Roll out cardamom dough with same method and cut cookies with cookie cutter. Fold it again to make more cookies. We will make jam cookies now. Use same rolling method for this dough and make stars with cookie cutter. Poke with your fingertip in the middle of the cookies and fill jam in them. Our tray is ready with jam and cardamom cookies. Let's make pinwheel cookie now. Our log is firm now to cut cookies. Use a sharp knife to make pinwheel cookies. with half inch of thickness. You can make them perfect with your hands also. The sides of this log will be used to make marble cookies. Mix everything together and make cookies like this. This tray is also ready. Let's bake them at 350 °F for 20 minutes in preheated oven. So adorable melted mouth butter cookies are ready. Let's enjoy them together, inshallah.